Coming up on Lake Kissimmee Campground, fixing to turn at 500 feet. Here we are, Lake Kissimmee State Park. Woo-hoo! Here's the check-in gate. Got the Florida flag waving, U.S. flag. We're gonna check in. We got checked in. We're at site number 44, old Hank Aaron's number, Hammer Hank. The road winds back in here about 4 miles from the front gate to the campground. Beautiful oak trees, nice wooded area. One of the things they say about Lake Kissimmee State Park is there's a lot of wildlife here that will come up to your campsite. Entrance to the campground, left-hand turn here. Here we are at campsite 44. This is the map they give you when you come in the park. The view above from our campsite. Lake Kissimmee State Park 2025. There's Lake Kissimmee on top of the observation tower. Up in the top of the trees. Behind our campsite, you have all these woods. Got a very cool looking fallen tree here. This is a very quiet campground. I can understand why deer and all come out and right into the campground area. Got a squirrel coming down. Hey boy. Hey. Someone's been feeding you. You're pretty friendly. There's a woodpecker on the tree. See how close I can get to him. Guy came over to see us. There he goes. I see you, buddy. There's your lizard. Here's a little information about our visitor to our campsite. Okay, here's site number 25, and this kind of gives you a good idea of what the sites are like here. Let's go see what else they have here. The campsite loops. We're at 44. This is site 45, site 46, this is site 47, site 48, this is site 49, which is a handicap site, and it actually has a path that goes down to the bathhouse, which is not far away. You have little signs that tell you which way the bathhouse is. Here's site 55, and it's on the inner part of the circle, and the bathhouse is right down the way on the inner circle. No one's at site 57, and it's on the inner circle also, so I thought I'd put a little clip in it. Site number 58. Site number 59. Got a cool oak tree here. Got the picnic table and fire pit, and it kind of loops around and comes back out. Site 60. They have a pioneer tent area here. Go down this road here, right to the left of the trash cans. No one is on site number 8 over here in the lower loop. Site number 11. Site number 12. It's on the inner circle. Site number 13 is on the outer part of the circle, has a beautiful oak tree on it. Site 15, Tim Tebow number. It's right here by where you walk to go to the restrooms. Just walk down this pathway and you get to the bathhouse. Site 19. Here's a little shortcut information. And here are the signs for the shortcut to the Marina store main use area. Let's go see what they got over there. Just take this path right on down. As you come out of the path, you come into this parking lot area right here. So right when you come out of the path, the shortcut right past site 37, you come to this sign that will lead you to the playground area and the observation tower. Now when you're coming back, you just go to the left of this sign and it'll take you over there to the youth camp and to the path to the campgrounds. Right behind that sign back there is 2 bathrooms to your left as you come in, going down the path to go to the playground and the tower. Here's your playground and your picnic area. Going down there is where the tower is. Here are the stairs to the tower. Here's some information about Lake Kissimmee. Picture of the view from the top. Some fun facts. You have a little place you can sit up here at the top of the tower. It's 52 steps up here. If you can do 52 steps, you can get up here and see the lake at a distance. You don't want to do as many steps. You can observe from a lower deck right there. Beautiful area. Here's one of the pavilions right next to the playground. It's back through there. And right beside this one, some horseshoe pits. You can play horseshoes. Plenty of shade here. Got a water spigot here, and that goes on down towards the boat ramp. You can see the parking lot right there. Here's a map of the different points, trailheads of the Everglades trails, all the way down to the Everglades. As you see, right above Lake Okeechobee is number 5, which is Kissimmee Prairie Preserve State Park. And a little above that is number 3, which is where we're at, Lake Kissimmee State Park, which is on the Everglades Trail. Here's the boat ramp. So your boat ramp's over there to the left, and as you come around, there's all kind of places to fish. Looks like they have some canoes and kayaks here to rent. They have bathrooms here and a little store. Then right out there you have the marina. Some fish jumping around right there. Hear the fish hitting on the water, and you got a little gator over there. Right here by the marina, you have a volleyball net set up. There's the parking lot. There's the marina. Here's the old wooden bridge and the new bridge. There are all kind of walking trails here. You see where we are right now. Here's a close-up. Information how we're connected by the current, Lake Okeechobee and Kissimmee River. Kristen Jacobs Trail. Here's some trail information. And this is where it begins. This is considered an easy trail. Bikes are welcome. Hiking, horseback. Right here by the Kristen Jacobs trailhead is the turn for the cow camp, but it's closed. I showed you the marina area, and it's called the Flatwoods Pond Parking Hiking Trails, and the Bee Tree Parking, Boat Trailer Picnic Parking, and the Youth Camp. Here's the front of the store, Cracker Shack General Store, and the marina area is right behind it. Right in front of the Cracker Shack is the observation tower sign that leads you to the parking area for it. Next, you come to the sign for the boat ramp to the right, overflow boat trailer parking to the left, and the youth camp. And at the end of the parking lot, you're back at the youth camp sign and the path to the campgrounds, which come out at Site 37. Here at the bathhouse, you have a washer and dryer area. Here are the bathrooms. Got a couple of deer up here. I'm gonna see how close. No, there's 3 of them by the old wooden bridge. Here come the deer. It's May the 4th, 2025 here at Lake Kissimmee State Park. Give you a 360 from the tower this morning. Down here waiting for the sun to come up. Looks like rain clouds over that way. Top of the trees. Instead of top of the morning to you, top of the trees to you.